With the number of new COVID-19 infections continuing to go down, East China's Shanghai is seeing more factories return to normal operations.
Where we are now here is the Top Light Company, which is a high-tech company specialized in LED device package. The company located in Qingpu District, Shanghai, has resumed production.
At present, about 100 employees are back to work at the company under closed-loop management. Strict epidemic prevention and control measures, as well as emergency response plans, are in place to ensure smooth operation of the company.
每天根据园区的要求进行一个核酸检测，再一个抗原检测，生活保障每天食堂提供早、中、晚。
在进行复工生产的时候，我们就组织了生产核心团队的生产配置，将留在工厂的近100名员工按照技能还有特长进行了新的岗位分配。目前我们的生产效率同期上升了10%，产能恢复了80%。